Never ceases to fail that I get making a video and Sue calls. Never ceases. And then she says, "What's the house like?" I said, "Can't really say. People live here." And she says, "Okay, I'll wait for the video." So, I mean, it's not going to impact anything because this brick is external to the fireplace. Well, what the heck's that all about? Doesn't make sense to me. More unfinished electric. You know, if they're gonna leave, dirty wine glasses, they could at least leave some wine. Helen won't have any, but Seth and I could have some. If you're in the process of selling your house and you have at least 2 showings in place, you at least neaten up a little bit. Well, that's a giveaway that the door is not locked. I was told to come in the back door, which is what I did, but there's one thing I forgot to do. I'm gonna do it before I go upstairs. Okay. I'm gonna turn the lights on. Awful lot of light coming through the top of that door, which tells me it's either not centered off, it's off the track, so to speak. It's racking, whatever. Someone's still installing flooring. Maybe sleeping out here at night, who knows? There's some more doors. I'm wearing a black, I'm wearing a black jacket. That's all sheetrock dust. My problem. Turn it in. So it's a bunch of AC. Septic pump, tank alarm. These aren't labeled, so they should be. Yeah, that's something a homeowner can do. So this room is duct land now. They got ducts for the air conditioning in here. Water heater. This is the heater with the AC, but as you can see, it's not all buttoned up. And I will tell you that even though it's 60 degrees outside, I can feel air blowing in from outside. So one of the questions to ask is, are they going to finish this and to what quality? You do have some fluorescence here. You do have where they had, looks like they had started to pour back in the day. Probably took lunch, came back and finished the pour. Not my shoes. Whenever you have someone that's gone in and they're flipping a place, they always use the dark stain, cover up scratches and stuff. I'm not going to say that this was the best staining job ever. I do like seeing that she's still raking. She or he, can't tell. None of my business, doesn't matter. I don't know what's with the fogging on this window. I can't tell if it's film on the outside or what. Interested to see where the leaves go. Anyway. See, when you do a flip, you have electrical outlets, right? And the electrical outlets are ivory. But rather than go through and replace the electrical outlet, they just slap a white cover on it. So everything is mismatched. It's a very common flip trick. But in here, they put in new outlets or new switches in the right color, but they use the old ivory. Just doesn't make sense. Smoke detectors are missing. That's not uncommon in a flip because they're creating dust and the things are going off and contractors don't want to hear it. Someone is living here. It can be the contractor. It can be someone that they've hired to stay here because insurance on a vacant property is higher. Helen wants to know what the pressure is. But again, this is the kind of thing that drives me nuts. Pick a color, any color. Just go with it. This is where I say, where's Seth? Seth likes going up in the attic. I'm channeling my inner Seth. Duck land up here now. Ducks everywhere. We've got some wood that's probably supposed to be over this, which is fine. Again, duck land. Everything is white sheetrock dust, which is fine. Sorry, that's probably not the most compelling video you've ever seen. Oh, different kind of switch rather than being a decorous switch, just an old school. That's how they used to get up the attic. smaller windows. In these houses, the windows are up higher. And, you know, just less light. You could also say less energy loss. Doors are down. Locked door. Locked door. Hi, I'm sorry. I'll leave. Just showing the house. All set. Okay. Okay, you get the idea. I'm gonna stop this video. Get out of here before the police come. Bye.